I'm sure you've heard the buzz about NFTs, but what exactly are they? Stick around and we'll unravel this digital mystery together. NFT stands for non-fungible token. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. Think of non-fungible as unique, like a rare trading card you just can't replace. And token? That's just a digital asset stored on a blockchain, a super secure online ledger. So, how are NFTs different from regular digital files? Normally you can copy and paste an image or song endlessly, but an NFT proves ownership of a specific digital item. Even if others can copy the image, they don't own it on the blockchain. What can be an NFT? It can be digital art, music, videos, in-game items, virtual land, memberships or tickets. It's basically anything digital that can be owned. Now, how do NFTs work? First, an artist or creator mints an NFT onto a blockchain like Ethereum or Solana. The blockchain records ownership, making it public and tamper-proof. NFTs can be sold or traded on marketplaces like OpenSea, and those smart contracts? They're built-in rules that can give creators royalties when their NFTs are resold. So, why do people buy NFTs? Some are collectors, others are investors. Fans support artists and get exclusive perks. Some NFTs even offer access to communities or events. Common misconceptions? NFTs are just expensive JPEGs. Nope, they represent ownership and utility. You can just screenshot an NFT, sure, but a screenshot doesn't give you blockchain ownership. NFTs are scams. Some projects are, but many are legit. Always do your own research. Final thoughts. NFTs are digital ownership powered by blockchain. They can be art, collectibles, memberships, or even tickets. As the space grows, expect even cooler uses beyond just profile pictures. Subscribe for more Web3 content.